world. Thank you for like, comment, and subscribing. As always, turn on notifications for all future videos. Today, show you guys what I got going on. As always, documentation beats conversation. You know, you want to diversify your income. Let me show you guys my clippers today. You see a lot of metal. You know, I was the king of pallets. I'm telling you guys now, you want to be very careful putting all your eggs in one basket and relying on just income to come in from pallets. You know, as if that's going to sustain you. You want to have a very stressful life. That's the case. You want to diversify. We all hear these generic entrepreneurial sayings like multiple streams of income and things like that. You know, and then when it's time to apply it in our businesses, some of us have like this cognitive dissonance where we can't seem to, you know, reprogram our thinking. We can't seem to apply, you know, all the things we know we should be doing. But let me be the first to encourage everybody, take a page out of my book, figuratively and literally speaking, and you know, diversify your income. Now I gotta bust this down, and this right here, looking at probably about an $800 drop. You know, we're in a recession right now. People are not making money. We know a lot of the other pallet courses, the other scrapping courses, they got real quiet because you can't really make easy money anymore helping people to get into the pallet game. Now you have to know what you're talking about. You have to be able to diversify. You have to know multiple lanes. You know, and the easy money is gone. So we're going to see who sticks around as far as the coaches. We want to see if Wilker's around, if the other black dudes around, all the other people that are selling these pallet courses and selling these dreams. You know, we'll see if they're around anymore, or if I was right the entire time and they're here just to exploit everybody. So as always, shoot me an email, shoot me a DM. Documentation beats conversation. You guys see it. Big clips, metal and pallets combined. I'm the only guy online showing you this method, how I make $500 to $1,000 a day right now during a recession with one truck. And it's not this big, crazy, huge corporate thing. I work about maybe 4 hours a day. Again, $500 to $1,000 every single day. I can show you how to do it. So shoot me an email, shoot me a DM. Visit the website on the screen, proscrappingguide.com. So sign up for the launch of the ebook. When I get 500 email signups, I'm going to launch. We're at about 300 signups right now, so let's keep them coming in. So always send me any messages on Instagram, DM me, whatever, reach out. Make it the best year yet, guys. I love you guys. I'm here to help. Let's get it done. Let's go.